minute. Who are you?
Catch 'em all.
Yo, what is good, everybody? This is your boy Chameleon. As you can see, right now I'm here getting gas. Today we're going to go to a softball.
You play ball like a girl!
A barbecue meet. There's supposed to be a lot of people there. So, without further ado, put these bad boys on. Ooh. And with this whole pandemic going on, don't forget your mask. Yeah, you got your mask. Yeah, you like that, huh? Boom. Yeah, buddy. But it's a little bit long ways. Quite a bit ways, about 20 more minutes from here. So well, as I get close, I'll come back to you guys. So we'll be right back. Don't you worry. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, see you soon.
2,000 years later.
Oh shit. You can do it. Yeah, no hard feelings out here. Team Fam.
Échale gasolina que me la voy a llevar.
We want to play ball. We want to play ball, right? A single. Make it real good. Make it an out. You got it.
Yeah, make it out, right?
Make it an out. Be better.
Contact. That's all you want.
Yeah, single or out. A single or out.
Not out.
We ask for blessings and guidance and protection today. Thank you for allowing us to walk day by day in your footsteps. We just ask for your guidance, your love, and just have a good day. In Jesus' name, amen.
And then, where is it on the side of the court? I say, go play the music. Where you at? Play the music. What's funny about buying here? Whatever you want, right here. That's how we doing it, Papa. That's how we doing it. Shit is lit.
Oh, they're leaving their ball. They were moving up at City though.
Money Bill Production.
There it is.
Yeah, this is the big one over there.
Strike. Strike one.
Matt, take a step up. Take a step up, Matt. 1-1. Take a step up.
2-1.
I'll represent. Oh yeah, that's why when you put it, just tag us. So we'll show you some love too, you know.
the video footage. You see that you know, this crew, actually the other car crews as well, they're not just about car shows and stuff. They actually to have fun and do stuff. You know, it may cost a lot of money, but you know, if we all like get together and you know, come up with a game plan, then we can make things happen. But until then, go ahead and leave it here for now, so they can make it back before it starts to rain. So, if you haven't already, go like, subscribe, comment down below. I appreciate everything that you guys do, even just viewing my content. For those new people that are just watching this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You just you never know what you might see next in my next video. So until then, you guys be safe. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.